I'm Savash Knight, and I play War Thunder. War Thunder is a sort of vehicle simulator based around the World War II era, early Cold War combat game that has an arcade mode, a realistic-ish mode, and then a true simulator mode where you can either be a pilot of a plane. They added tanks as well. There's ground combat. They've begun getting into much more modern, like 80s vehicles. And then they even recently, I think in the last 2 years, added a sailing, like ship combat and that kind of thing. I've been playing, I think, 5 or 6 years now. Since the game first came out on my old computer, I took about a year or two break from it because my computer couldn't handle it, and then I got a new computer, and from then I've been playing off and on for the last like 3 or 4 years. For me specifically, I've always been a huge sort of history nerd, so that combined with an interest in just like mechanics as a whole, like things working like vehicles and like planes, trucks, all that kind of stuff just holds an inherent interest to me. So seeing that and being able to participate in how these would have sort of like worked back in whenever they were used and being used in combat and stuff, that always has a special place to me. It's just seeing, wow, that's so cool. And then that combined with the sort of like not super fast-paced combat, but the fact that it's a lot of like both thinking combined with being able to like react whenever someone shows up, that those two combined has like a weird like place between, it's not quite the twitch shooters you see with like Call of Duty and that kind of stuff, but it's not like a board game or something where you're like entirely thought focused. War Thunder specifically is a multiplayer game, and like so you play against other players, you know, but at the same time you can either play on your own against other players or you can join in a squad of 4 people if you want, and like with 4 people who you're all, you know, these people, you can like do sort of like more team-based tactics whenever you're playing. And then on top of that, like if you really want to, if you get into the more competitive side of things, you can play squad battles, so it can be like 16 players who all know each other and 16 players who know each other on the other side. They all can do much more in-depth tactics of, okay, we're gonna have 8 people go up one side, 8 on the other, or like 4 on the one side and then 4 down the middle and that kind of thing. And my plan is I just want to keep playing because I like enjoy the game. I don't think I'm gonna ever end up going into competitively ever, but I enjoy playing it on my own time, and it's a fun game to play whenever I've got some free time.
Okay.